In this video, we'll explore the contextual data layers and advanced visualization tools available on the map. You'll see how each layer adds valuable regulatory, social, and development insight, helping you better understand the full context of any location. Let's get started. Click on the Layers icon in Open Contextual Data to access additional map layers. First, enable Historic Resources. You'll see brown markers appear on the map, along with highlighted areas indicating historically designated locations. This layer provides regulatory and preservation context, highlighting officially designated historic buildings and districts that may be subject to special review processes or development restrictions. Next, select Points of Interest. Symbols will appear across the map, and the legend will display in the lower left corner, explaining what each symbol represents. This layer provides social and functional context, such as nearby parks, schools, transit, and amenities, helping you evaluate neighborhood accessibility and overall market potential. Then turn on difficult development areas. The map highlights these regions in purple, helping you quickly identify areas with development constraints. These are federally designated locations where development costs are relatively high compared to local incomes, often qualifying projects for specific housing tax incentives. Next, enable low-income housing to display green markers showing relevant housing locations. This reveals existing affordable housing properties or subsidized developments, helping you assess housing distribution and related policy considerations in the area. Next, select Qualified Census Tracts. These areas will appear shaded in light blue, providing insight into census-designated zones. Qualified census tracts are income-based federal designations used for housing incentives, indicating neighborhoods that may qualify for affordable housing tax credits or targeted investment programs. To enhance visualization, switch to 3D mode to view buildings in 3 dimensions, giving you a better sense of structure and scale. When 3D is enabled, a sun icon appears, allowing you to adjust the time of day, including dawn, day, dusk, and night. When dusk is selected, you can rotate the map to observe the direction of light and see how building shadows are cast across the landscape. If you adjust the pitch or bearing, simply use the Reset Pitch to 45 degrees and Reset Bearing buttons to return to the default view. Finally, enable Topology to reveal the area's terrain and elevation, showing contours, slopes, and natural features to give you a clear understanding of the landscape, which can be critical for planning or analysis.